Hi, I'm Jesse with Thumper Fab. Today we're going to show you how to install your Thumper Fab Elite Bumper for 2025 and up Rangers. First, we're going to start by removing your front bumper. If your Ranger comes equipped with a factory winch, you'll need to remove the winch and the mounting plate. Now you will need to reroute your winch wires if you're choosing to reuse your factory winch. You will pull them out and run them to the top. If you ordered the light kit with your bumper, now's the time to install your lights and your accent panel. First, you want to start with the brackets that come with the lights and attach them to your light. Now that you have your brackets installed on your light, you can use the hardware from the kit and then insert your light cover and then bolt your light with the same hardware. Now if you got the bull bar option, you want to go ahead and put your light bar in there if you got the light bar with the bull bar option. Now that you've tightened your accent panel on your bull bar, you can go ahead and install your light bar inside of the bull bar. Now that you have your light installed inside your bull bar, you want to mount it to the top of your bumper bottom. Your hardware kit for the bull bar comes with 4 bolts to attach it to the bumper. Now that we have your outer bumper assembled, it's now time to put your bumper mount on the frame. You just simply mount it back to the holes that the winch was mounted to. So take one of your 10mm bolts and put it back into the frame at the top. Now you got 2 more 10mm bolts at the bottom, and those will go back up with a nut. We're now ready to install your winch reinforcement plate, and this goes underneath your bracket, and then you will place your bumper shell on top of that. Now we're ready to place the bumper shell on top of the bracket. You want to line up your holes and use the hardware that came with the kit. You're now ready to tighten all 8 of these bolts. You're now ready to put your bash plate on. Each of your light kits will come with a really simple wiring harness. It's all plug and play. All you have to do is plug this into your Polaris pulse bar. Run this wire through the firewall to your switch and hook these Deutsch connectors up to the lights. You need to find a spot to mount your switch inside the cab. We have chosen these 2 spots because they were empty. Then you will take your wires that ran through the firewall and hook up to the back of your switch. Now you're ready to install your winch and go riding.